Good evening, everyone. I just wanted you guys to see your puppies. We are March the 16th. And right now, actually, they're finishing eating. They're all quiet right now. I'm trying to see if I can show you guys the collars of their collar.
I can show the guard dog. I can try to show the guard dog.
They're all sold. There's only one that's not sold yet.
Found the guard dog.
This is Sikisa.
Riley, is that Riley?
No, that's not Riley.
Yes, it is.
Oh yes, it is.
It
There's
is.
Riley. Who are you?
Carriage house.
Hmm?
Baba.
Can you show the other colors, Isabel? Somebody was asking about one of their dog, but I don't remember which one it was because I got so many people asking me for so many things. Can you point some colors?
On the smallest one.
Just tell me the name of the color, and they can figure it out that if there's their dog.
Oh, we have the paper. I can order the name. Oh.
Don't say the name of it, but just say
No,
the blue
look, wait,
the blue
wait.
color. This is the dog.
What is their name?
Okay, well, I don't have just show them the color, Isabel.
Il y avait un autre dessus avant.
Okay, just give me the collar, like the blue one. Which one is the blue collar?
Which blue?
The first one there. Somebody bought the first one. Hey, you're attacking my camera. Who are you?
I don't know, Mom. Because there's two blue collars.
Oh, there it is. There's the blue. Oh no, that's the
There's
corduroy.
two blue collars, Mom. There's one with no color on this paper, and it's blue.
Hey, you.
Baba.
Hello. Hello, little one. No, we're not gonna eat my camera, are you? Purple ball.
I remember, Mommy.
There's the red colored one.
Edwin. Mommy, I can show Edwin.
That's the red one with stripes. For that one's a female.
Edwin's right here. Edwin.
There you go. That's Edwin. That's the right beside that one. That's the blue corduroy.
Oh.
Hello. Hello. Who are you again? You're the corduroy one. Ah. What do you want? Yeah, what do you want? Anyways, everybody, your dogs are all doing great. They like to bark. They like to play. They want to eat my phone. Okay? And they're very good. They when we approach, they all want to play. They're all love monsters. Yeah, you guys are all love monsters. I want to make sure that I have all of you here so your parents can all see you.
He's it. Yeah.
Which one is that one, Isabel, on top there? Which one just, c'est quelle couleur ça?
Edwin.
Where's Riley? Oh, somewhere in there.
Pass.
Somewhere in there. Hey? Somewhere in there. Hey, peekaboo! Peekaboo!
Pesante, oui. C'est pesant. Hey, Mom.
Which one is this one?
No one bought this one.
This is the one that is not...
Misa can have this one.
No, this one is not taken? That's the
Misa
only
wants
one?
this one.
That's too close to me, Isabel.
I'm trying to put on your leg.
Which color is that? The red one?
No, it's
Okay, it's too close to me.
No, it's a tiger color.
There's only one that's not purchased.
Tiger.
Purchase
Tiger
it.
collar.
Ah, there's Buddy with the boy.
It's a tiger collar.
Hey, Buddy's going to see the babies. Hey, Buddy.
Look, it's a tiger collar.
All right. Buddy. All right, guys. It's been 5 minutes there. I don't want the video to be too long. Anyway. Puppies wants to say bye-bye. Bye-bye for now. Oh, look at that cute couple at the back there. Look at this. Oh, that's so cute. So cute. There's another one not too far back beside it. Oh, they all love each other. They all love each other. Bye. They're all going to bed. I guess it's 10:30 at night. It's about that time. Alright, it's about that time they go to bed now. Alright, guys. Like I said, it's March 16, 2017. Just wanted to show that your puppies are in good health. And bye for now. Please like the video, please, if you like it. And bye for now. Bye. Say bye, buddy. Say bye-bye, buddy. Hey, say bye-bye, buddy. Não, solto pa sa camera. Bye.
Mommy,